No, no. I want the Ghostbusters ejected from this facility immediately.
Where's His Honor? We've got news for him and a photo op.
The mayor is indisposed right now. Anything you need to tell him goes through me.
Not happening, Peckaby. This is for Jock and Jock alone. We will wait for him to get redisposal. Why do the good ones always play hard?
Oh, wow! It's a Thermian possession event! I haven't ever seen one of these! It's beautiful!
Kinda like the 4th of July in hell.
More possessor ghosts! Kid, you know what to do! Let's stay! They got picked.
Bam, bam. Here's the roof.
Having some fun now. The kid sprang tech. Hey, there's our bogey. Let's get a move on, kid. We ain't paid by the hour. Work, my man. Truly impressive. Of course, I saved the world on my birthday. You opened the gate, so let's not get too excited. Ugly. Hey, you hang around and you got long enough to pick up a thing or two.
Tampa estracha noto burnfui gorfin.
Wow, Peter sure can pick it. I've heard of being possessive, but he's batting 1,000. These fellas are all black slime. I think you can handle them. Man. Once again, we get the ugly girl at the bar. That black slime is protecting her. We gotta use the slime blower to remove it. Then we can get rid of Miss Bucket. Hey, fellas, if you have a moment, can you open gate 3487? It would be a big help.
3487. 3487? All right, I think we've got it.
There you go. Great job.
Whoa! We're under attack! We'll get back to you!
Thanks, Ray. Remember to stay calm and alert. We don't need a repeat of the Vigo incident. Hey, Ray, we seem to be stuck in a room with no doors. What you got?
Well, I'm looking right at the blueprint. And,
Hang on. We got a signal.
what you're seeing is a fold in reality. The ghost
Just
has removed the
slime
door
the
from
damn
its planned
thing.
existence.
Knock it off!